There are some people who have very bad plans. They use their power in the worst way that they can. But they've got lots of enemies, not a lot of friends, 'cause they keep hurting people again and again, and Spidey's gonna get them in the end. So if you got power, better use it to do good, 'cause it don't mean nothing if you don't do what you should. Just like Spidey does in his neighborhood. If you got power, better use it to do good. Spider-Man is powerful, Spider-Man is strong, but Spider-Man knows right from wrong. And he's got a message for you and me. Yes, he's got a message, so listen carefully. He says, with great power comes great responsibility.